Hello lovelies, it's Ronia and welcome back to my studio. In today's video, I thought I would like to show you how I paint a free-flowing large peony. So let's start first showing the supplies. I'm using a Canson cold press paper, heavyweight, okay, so hold a lot of water. And we are going to use two brushes. First, this large round brush, I think is equivalent of size 12. And we're going to use this one for stems and leaves. I have a mixture in here of the paint. I'm using Mission, it's a Scarlet Lake color in this tube. I mix already with water, so you can see this free-flowing water mixture. I have a clean container with water. Paper towel just in case I need. So let's start to shape the flower. Dip the brush inside of the paint. Okay, adjust the tip a little bit so we have a nice load of paint. Here is a combination of two greens that I already had prepared. Is deep green and sap green, all mixed together in this container. So always dip the brush inside of the container, clean the dip, remove excess of painting. Go inside a little bit. Long stem. With a nice leaf. Add a little bit more color. Always follow the shape to create a nice contour too. Another skinny bamboo brush. It's like a point bamboo brush. You dip a little bit in the yellow color that I have. This yellow is a combination of orange yellow and yellow pearl. All these watercolors are from Artisan. but you can use any color you want. So I dip a little bit here to create simulation of the pollen. But remember, we are not going for perfection here. I'm just showing you how to use your first brush strokes, okay? The most important is that you are having fun with what you are doing, okay? Don't overthink. Enjoy the process. Perfection isn't the goal in here. It's just the joy of creating something beautiful. So you add some layers to fill the gap. Let the green mix with the red. The shades. That's what makes this paint awesome. Just relax. And we have a large peony. So you can see the shades of, okay? It's just to play. Just for you start to understand how the brush strokes work, okay? So thank you for tuning in, and leave a comment below. Like, subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know. And always remember to practice, okay? Bye bye.